Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by parking on level ground, engage the parking brake, and chock the wheel opposite the flat to prevent rolling. Gather a scissor or hydraulic jack, a sturdy lug wrench, a torque wrench set to 80 Nm, and a spare inflated to 60 psi. Before lifting, slightly loosen each lug nut one full turn with the vehicle still on the ground. This prevents the wheel from spinning while you jack the car. Keep tools organized and use gloves for grip and protection. Locate the reinforced jacking point on the Fiesta, the pinch weld or sill area behind the front wheel or in front of the rear wheel depending on the flat. Position the jack cup under that point, then pump or operate the jack to raise the car until the tire clears the ground by roughly 3.5 inches to 4 inches, enough to remove the wheel safely. Fully remove the lug nuts and pull the wheel straight off the hub. Inspect the mounting surface, studs, and brake rotor or drum. Place the spare onto the hub, aligning the holes, and hand thread each lug nut to prevent cross-threading. Lower the jack slowly until the spare just contacts the ground so the wheel cannot spin, then use a star pattern to snug the nuts progressively. With the vehicle fully lowered and the jack removed, use your torque wrench to tighten each lug to the specified 80 Nm. Stow all tools, secure the flat tire, and note that temporary spares often require 60 psi. Drive cautiously and recheck lug torque and spare pressure after about 50 miles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.